like this. Something's definitely up.
Okay, Mr. Dean, I have it under control.
Looking west up the river, you can see the majestic dome of St. Paul's, Christopher Wren's masterpiece, completed in 1711, at 366 feet high. It's one of the largest domes.
So calm on the water.
Whoa.
Yeah. What a view.
Excuse me. There was a man. He just came through here. There was a man.
This is a life, isn't it?
So peaceful.
Come now, it is not proper to stare.
Stunning. Breathtaking.
Roman, I'll take that one, but can we do a serious one for the parents?
Yeah.
Is that...
Roman. Okay, now with the wall garden.
I can't get the wall garden and the lake.
Yes, you can. Just pull it up.
There we go.
Imagine living here. There are things to say.
Okay.
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 Drink tea. There's lots of tea.
Okay.
Not him again. Bloody Tom Cruise. He gets everywhere. There she is. Look. Just behind that tree, I think it's the rough-legged buzzard. Such varied wildlife. It's beautiful.